I found the thing. I have not been into the kitchen in ages, so here I am. This weekend it is the Winter Solstice in Australia, and of course I have left celebrating to the very last minute. So for today's episode, I thought I would whip up some fancy looking but cheap and easy, hey, that's me, treats for the longest night of the year. Now, I am about to talk about cool magic-y shit, so let's change into something a little more appropriate. Cool.
The winter solstice is celebrated in many different cultures and religions, marking the symbolic death and rebirth of the sun. There are lots of activities you can do to get in the solstice mood depending on your own beliefs. The solstice reminds us that the sun always rises again, bringing new beginnings and brighter days.
I find cooking is such an easy way to celebrate the solstice and bring a little bit of magic into the world. Food brings people together, and in my particular branch of spirituality, every herb and ingredient has their own special magical correspondent, which, spirituality aside, I just find absolutely fascinating. Check this out. Your humble allspice symbolizes money, luck, and finding treasure, whilst bananas symbolize fertility and potency. Can't imagine why. I'll take you through all the ingredients correspondences as we go, and we're going to start with our harvest.
I'm going to use our oranges as decorations because they look absolutely amazing when they're dried out. To do this, I'm just cutting the oranges into slices and putting them on an oven tray. This process takes several hours on a very low temperature, turning every hour on the hour, but they come out hard as rock. I'm then just poking a hole through at the top using a knife and threading through some twine. I'm also hanging fresh dill with my decorations. Dill symbolizes good cheer and luck, whilst the oranges align with happiness, prosperity, wealth, and spiritual nourishment. Other than the hours of drying them out, these are so quick and easy to make and can be used to decorate gifts, candles, or just hang them up around the house for a magical touch.
My stepmother-in-law taught me this one recently. She served it up at a party, and I thought it was straight up for kasha. Nuh-uh, it's fake kasha. All you need is a Turkish loaf, some rosemary, and some olive oil. Now, I didn't realize olive oil is basically a mortgage these days. So I bought the cheapy spray version, but if you've got that oil money, get the real stuff. It's gonna be way better. I'm a little nervous to try making these puff pastry apple roses, but look at them! How can I not?
This recipe combines maple for love, money, and wealth, apples for love and prosperity, and cinnamon for protection, prosperity, and healing. A lot of love and luck going on in this recipe.
I am following this recipe from Celebration Generation, which I will link in the comments below, and I have fast forwarded to the bit in the recipe where I'm about to make the rose part. Ooh, here we go.
Okay, so we're rolling them up. It's pretty straightforward. No way. No way. Oh my God, that's awesome. Oh, okay, I'll do up the other one now too. Kind of devo, I only made a couple now. They are so cool and so easy. can confirm tastes just like an incredible apple pie, perfect served with ice cream. If you've been following my socials, I made this cornucopia a few weeks ago out of woven cardboard packing material. I've decorated it all up and it's the perfect centerpiece for solstice celebrations. Whether it's crafting decorations, spending time in nature, sharing food with loved ones, or even just being mindful, however you choose to celebrate, do so with love in your heart and good intentions for all.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode and I hope it inspired you to do some solstice celebrating of your own. Let me know in the comments if you did anything to celebrate. I'd love to hear what all of you got up to. Do all the things that you're meant to. Go like, comment, share, and subscribe. It means so much to me and it would really make my winter solstice. Thank you for joining me once again. I have been Lady Hart and you have been an audience. I'll see you next week.
Lady Hart, thank you. We love you, Lady Hart. Yes.
You're all doomed. Doomed. Doomed.
Now technically, they are the neighbour's oranges, so we're committing a heist.